Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Post Market Report from Financial Independence channel. So let's look at what happened to the market today and what's the trade setup for tomorrow. So currently, HTS Nifty is trading at almost 20 to 30 points higher from our Indian closing. Dow Jones is 68 points higher and Nasdaq is also higher. So initial jobs data has come, which is very lower than the March levels. So that is creating actually a positive one for Nasdaq and Dow Jones. So global cues are good and actually the today's market, if you see, the global markets are not that good. There are fluctuations around the global markets, but surprisingly our market today outperformed again today again after 2 days of consecutive double centuries, which is like more than 200 points every day. Again today also it made a 150 points higher today. So it was a surprising move. Nifty made 17,234. So yesterday it made like a bearish candle. So the expectation was this would be the short-term top-up, but as expected, Reliance started expanding its next phase of movement. And surprisingly, TCS also joined today. TCS made a huge move of 121 points today. So both took the, like both Reliance and TCS took the Nifty above 17,000. 200 again to it is close to 17,262. So my levels, as I had given earlier, I had given as 17,436 would be the next stop. Maybe a next set of consolidation may happen. So back to back it has made almost close to 550 points in 3 days. So we have to see how market moves for tomorrow. But since Reliance had started its next set of rally, if it starts sustaining above 2300 levels, 2324 levels, then the next set of expansion will happen. If you see, this is the 1 day chart I am showing you. So this is the level it is been, this is the price action happening since long time. You can see, and if it starts sustaining above these levels, it will start its next set of expansion, which will take close to 2500 levels. So we can expect that will carry Nifty also close to 18,000 levels. 17,500, 18,000 levels will be easily achieved in the coming months, maybe 1 or 2 months. And if you see TCS also, it started its next set of expansion. So I am expecting close to 4,000 levels in coming months in TCS alone. So apart from that, banking sector was not that a huge performer today. It was a very stable market today. There was not at all even a single fall. You can see yesterday after making a like close to inverted pin bar handle, today again like a bullish candle has been made, and it is actually on the upper side of the channel. So breaking that again, it will start moving to 37,500 levels, which is the last time top out, which if initially taking out that, it will stretch its movement to close to 38,000 40,000 levels in the coming months. So apart from that, the IT was performing today. Bajaj Twins did not perform today. Metals, not a very good show, but it's in green. So most of the IT stocks, banking stocks, and every sector performed well today. Even the like FMCG sector and the other sectors like let me show you. Pharma sector, pharma was also performing very good. So you can see Dr. Reddy made its low 4,400 levels. Now it is close to 4,855. Ara Pharma straight way, it is continuously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in a straight day. Like continuously for 1 week it is in the upside, and it has given a clear reversal. So overall everything looks bullish as of now. So all large cap stocks are performing well. Even mid cap stocks are performing well today. So market is bullish, and we are expecting a next set of expansion to happen. So the GDP data which has come yesterday has given a clear positive sense for the markets, and it is reflecting that in the market. So coming to FID data, FI had today bought for 348 crores, and DA had bought for 381 crores. So overall, it is a buy for both the FIA and DIA. So that's a good signal. Even I mean like a good sign. Even if there is not huge buying, but that is a I mean like a consistent performance from both the FIA and DIA. Coming to option chain for Nifty, Nifty is having the resistance at 17,500, which is having 45,788 contracts, and 17,000 is having the 48,482 contracts. But if you see 17,200 is also having a huge put rating happening, which is 46,145. So for 17,200 is going to be the base as of now. I mean like short-term support, and the huge support is going to be anything below will be 17,000 will be acting as a higher support. One more thing, if Nifty starts up, I mean like sustaining above 17,230 levels, so today it sustained. If it starts sustaining, then another set of a huge short covering may occur, which may drag it again to the another 200 points on the upside. So market is bullish. So please focus on the large cap stocks as of now. Market is highly bullish. We can see today the way I mean like Bank Nifty or Nifty moved today, especially Nifty, was very clear that continuous bullishness is there in the market. Bank Nifty, we can see like a stable movement today, not a heavy fall, even for even 100 points. The entire day it was around 150 points move. So overall a good show. We have to wait for the next data, which is going to be written tomorrow on Friday. So that will decide. This is just the first week, and I am expecting this to continue. Coming to the I mean like just as we are entering into the festival season, this would be very good for all the sectors, and I'm expecting sectors should be performing well. Despite auto sectors are performing poor due to the continued poor sales in the auto sector. If you see today, each Hero Motoco was very poor. The sales was very poor compared to the other one. Bajaj Auto was outperforming. Maruti was outperforming, but comparing to them, Hero Motoco was actually more than I think a 0.5 percentage or 5 percentage less than their performance. So the one sector which is underperforming is auto and PSU banks. Other than that, the rest of the sectors are looking good as of now. So concentrate on fundamentals, fundamentally good stocks. So no more the I mean like no more junk stocks. The things which performed during the last 1 year will not start performing continuing from now. So we have to focus on the fundamental stocks which are having a good potential on the business side. So that's all from today, and let's wait for the tomorrow's data. So thanks guys. Good night. Bye.